Crusaders were finished. 1098, Antioch. They had just captured the city after 8 months of starvation. Then a massive Muslim army arrived, 200,000 soldiers. The Crusaders were trapped inside with no food. Men ate horses, then rats, then leather. Morale collapsed. Deserters climbed down the walls at night. Then a peasant said he had a vision. The Holy Lance, the spear that pierced Christ, is buried under the cathedral. They dug, and they found it. A rusted spear tip in the dirt. Real or not, the Crusaders believed. 20,000 starving men marched out to face 200,000. They charged, screaming prayers. The Muslim army shattered, fled. The siege was broken. A rusted spear in the dirt saved the First Crusade. Saladin didn't just defeat the Crusaders, he erased them. 1187, the Crusader army, 20,000 men, marched across the desert to fight Saladin. No water, July heat, full armor. Saladin waited. He set fire to the dry grass. Smoke choked the Crusaders. They couldn't breathe, couldn't see. Then he attacked. The Crusaders broke. Knights collapsed from thirst before Muslim swords touched them. By sunset, the entire army was dead or captured. Saladin captured the true cross, Christianity's holiest relic. He captured the king of Jerusalem. Then he walked into Jerusalem itself. Unlike the Crusaders 88 years before, he didn't massacre anyone. He let Christians leave in peace. The city that took 88 years to hold was lost in one afternoon. Saladin's greatest victory. They never met face to face, but they respected each other more than their own allies. Richard the Lionheart, Saladin, two legends on opposite sides. When Richard's horse was killed in battle, Saladin sent him 2 new ones. When Richard fell sick with fever, Saladin sent him ice and fruit. Richard sent Saladin a proposal. Let my sister marry your brother. They can rule Jerusalem together. Saladin considered it. For years they fought. Richard won battles. Saladin held Jerusalem. Neither could finish the other. In 1192, exhausted, they made peace. The Treaty of Ramla. Christians could visit Jerusalem safely. The coast belonged to the Crusaders. Jerusalem stayed Muslim. Richard sailed home, never saw the holy city. Saladin died 1 year later, gave away so much money they couldn't afford his funeral. 2 enemies, 1 legacy. The war ended with respect.